Assalamu alaikum, sisters. I am very excited to announce this program. Okay, real talk for a second. How many times have you saved Islamic lectures, followed scholars online, bought books, and still felt like, I want proper structure, I want to actually understand my Deen? If that thought has crossed your mind even once, then please don't skip. This video is for you. Bismillah. Sisters, I've been getting messages for a long time now asking, where can we study seriously? Is there a proper Aalimah program in English? Is it even possible to do this while managing life? So I'm really happy to finally share this with you. Maryam Institute has officially opened admissions for their Online English Aalimah program, and yes, this is that program so many sisters wait for every year. Let me explain this in a very simple way. This is a 6-year structured Islamic studies program, not random classes, not jumping from topic to topic, but a clear path where everything builds on what you learned before. The classes are taught in English and Arabic by qualified scholars from different parts of the world, people who actually understand both traditional knowledge and the reality we're living in today. And because it's online, sisters from anywhere can join, whether you're studying from home, raising kids, working, or juggling all of the above. But I want to be honest with you. This is not a do it when you feel like it kind of course. It's not light, it's not quick. It does require consistency and commitment, and that's exactly why it's respected. Because of that, seats are limited, and there's an interview for every applicant, not to intimidate you, just to make sure you're ready and that this path makes sense for you. If you're someone who wants depth, if you want clarity instead of confusion, if you're tired of feeling like you're always at the surface level, this might be something worth seriously looking into. And sisters, this isn't about labels or titles. It's about learning your Deen properly, about strengthening your relationship with Allah, about feeling confident in what you believe and practice. Even just considering knowledge is an act of worship. Right now, all I'm asking you to do is this. Go and read the details. That's it. You'll find everything, the structure, prerequisites, and expectations at. Links are in description in Shashat. The next video will be much more detailed. I'll explain who this program is for, what you need to apply, and how the whole process works, step by step, so nothing feels confusing or intimidating. Until then, sit with this, make dua, and don't underestimate what one sincere decision can lead to. I'll see you in the next video.